Alright, so next we're going to wire it up and hook up some fuel lines to it, see if we can get it to start. So first we're going to start by taking all this loom apart, try to give us as much wire as possible on each of these connectors. So when we put it in the vehicle, we'll have more wire to play with. So I have a bunch of random wire links, all color coded to match the diagram. We'll see if we can get this hooked up. Alright, so this is the setup to get it to start. We have a bucket with the wall barrel fuel pump in it. We have the feed and return hose going up to the engine, feed here. We have the return spliced in there. And then we have the all the power wires terminated on the battery terminal there. We have the ground there. And we'll see if it starts. Okay, as far as wiring, just to get the engine to start while it's still on the ground, basically just need 3 connectors. I've done some color coding here, so I got this pin out from Wilbo 666. If you just Google Wilbo 666 2JZGTE VVTI, then it'll go to his website, and he has all of these pinouts. They were very helpful. So we'll start with the easiest one first. On the F60, I have the ground in green. It'll be the lower left hand pin, EC. And then on that same pin, I have highlighted in yellow. So this will be the crank plus run position. So these will be plus voltage, and then also have, so there's 4 of those. Starting in the bottom right, we have B plus, plus B2 ignition switch, and then the master relay. And then above that we have constant, which is also B plus. Same on pin or plug F60. The top right and then the top left. We'll move to the next plug, F59. The starter pin, have that highlighted in red. That'll be only voltage during crank. And then also we'll move to the 10 pin plug, loom to body. Pin number 8 will also only get voltage during crank. And then there's 3 other pins that you need to put voltage on for run plus crank. So all the yellow wires together, blue wires together, the 2 red will be crank only, so momentarily, and then the ground for the ECU. So I was not able to get the engine to run well. This one has to have the mass airflow connected for it to idle correctly, so I had to wait and order this pipe. Basically it's a 3-inch diameter pipe that has the flange for the mass airflow welded on it. The pipe that you put the mass air in has to be a 3-inch diameter, otherwise it won't meter the air correctly. Just the volume of the pipe. So this is the mass airflow, and then I have a video here of it starting.